Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Are you searching for the perfect solution to keep your car's interior spotless? Look no further. Today, we dive deep into the world of the best car interior cleaner. Join us as we explore top products, expert tips, and insightful reviews to help you make the right choice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more automotive content. Number 1. Chemical Guys SPI 22016 Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. If you're like me and want your vehicle to sparkle inside and out, this product is a game changer. With its versatile formula, it's safe for cars, trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, motorcycles, RVs, and more. Say goodbye to grime and hello to a fresh, clean interior. This 16 fluid ounces bottle packs a powerful punch, effortlessly tackling dirt, grease, and stains while leaving behind a protective layer to keep surfaces looking like new. From dashboards to upholstery, it's a one-stop solution for all your interior cleaning needs. Say hello to showroom quality results with the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Number 2. CRGU Super Cleaner, the ultimate solution for keeping your car's interior spotless and fresh. This 18-ounce kit packs a powerful punch, tackling stains and grime on leather seats, carpets, upholstery, and more with ease. Its versatile formula effortlessly removes dirt, grease, and odors, leaving surfaces looking and smelling like new. Whether it's spilled coffee, muddy footprints, or pet messes, this cleaner handles it all, restoring your car's interior to its former glory. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to a showroom-worthy finish with CRGU's Super Cleaner, the go-to choice for car enthusiasts everywhere. Number 3. MIGU's Ultimate Interior Detailer 15.2-ounce spray bottle is an absolute game-changer. From the moment you spray it, you can sense the quality. It effortlessly revitalizes every inch of your car's interior, leaving behind a fresh, showroom-worthy finish. What truly sets it apart is its versatility, perfect for dashboards, door panels, and even leather seats. The formula isn't just about looks, it also provides UV protection, safeguarding your interior against harmful sun damage. Plus, the ease of application makes it a joy to use, saving you both time and effort. Say goodbye to dull interiors. With MIGU's Ultimate Interior Detailer, you'll experience a level of cleanliness and shine that's truly unmatched. Number 4. Adams Polish's Interior Detailer, your go-to solution for achieving a showroom-worthy car interior. This 16-ounce bottle packs a punch as a total interior cleaner, protectant, and dressing, simplifying your car care routine. From vinyl to leather, dashboard to screens, this all-purpose cleaner handles it all with ease. Its versatile formula not only cleans but also conditions leather, leaving it supple and rejuvenated. Say goodbye to multiple products cluttering your detailing arsenal because Adams Polish's Interior Detailer is all you need for a pristine interior finish. Whether you're tackling dirt, dust, or grime, trust Adams Polishes to deliver professional-grade results every time. Number 5. P&S Professional Detail Products Express Interior Cleaner, your go-to solution for maintaining a pristine interior. With its powerful formula, it effortlessly eliminates stubborn traffic marks, dirt, grease, and oil, leaving surfaces looking brand new. Whether it's leather, vinyl, or plastic, this cleaner works wonders, restoring the original luster without any damage. Plus, its fresh scent leaves your car smelling as good as it looks. Say goodbye to grime and hello to a spotless interior with P&S Professional Detail Products Express Interior Cleaner. In conclusion, selecting the best car interior cleaner is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's aesthetics and hygiene. Whether you prioritize eco-friendliness, effectiveness, or affordability, there's an option out there for you. Remember to make an informed decision based on your needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share.